The productivity of this industry in India can increase only if the labor are contented. Full stop. Contented labor alone can improve the efficiency and productivity of the plantation industry. Full stop. So, the need of the hour is not to bring such piecemeal legislation. Full stop. What is needed today is a comprehensive bill which should deal with all aspects of the working conditions of the plantation labor. Full stop. The need of the day is to introduce such a bill where workers will have full participation in managing the gardens, and this plantation industry should be nationalized immediately. Full stop. Sir, Assam is one of the most important tea producing states in the country. Full stop. There, formerly the tea gardens were owned by the Britishers. Full stop. Now the Indian have purchased those gardens. Full stop. After these gardens have done to the hands of the Indian planters, the situation has not improved, rather it has deteriorated, the efficiency of the gardens has deteriorated. Full stop. New paragraph. Even the local people and educated tea labor youths are being deprived of getting employment in the gardens. Full stop. Therefore, steps should immediately be taken to nationalize this industry. Full stop. Here I would like to inform the House that in 1978 to 79 the ruling Janata Party in the Assam Assembly had adopted a resolution unanimously for nationalization of tea industry in Assam. Full stop. If the government is not willing to nationalize the entire plantation industry, I would request that the government should take early steps at least to nationalize the tea industry in Assam. Full stop. It is a very vital matter for the economic self-sufficiency of Assam state, and it is very important from the point of view of increasing efficiency and productivity of the gardens also. Full stop. New paragraph. I would like the government not only to pass this amendment bill, which I have reason to support, but also to ensure its implementation, as best as it can, semicolon. Otherwise, getting it passed and keeping a copy of it in the library or elsewhere, will not improve the conditions of the plantation workers. Full stop. I of the law, and I want that desired amenities and facilities should be provided to these workers, and it should be ensured that employers do provide these amenities. Full stop. When this question of joint committee was taken up in this house, our late friend was there and he also voiced his feelings and said that these plantations should be acquired by the government, full stop. These are generally foreign owned establishments, and they are the centers, at least in Assam, of anti-Indian activities, full stop. These plantations deserve to be taken over by the government as early as possible, full stop.